I guess this is the first time ever that I am coming live without any particular specific purpose. But then purpose is very important. Uh, as you all know that yesterday only I had started one particular community on the Facebook which is named as Atulya Dreams. Now, basically Atulya means incomparable, and dreams is dreams, however small it is. But then people love to see their dreams, they follow it, they passionately do some things in their life that they can accomplish their dreams. And on that particular front, I felt that this is a particular time that wherein people are not ready to follow their dreams. They are feeling like uh, bogged down. They feel that this particular year is going to be a difficult phase, and they are going back in their lives almost 5 to 10 years. This is the reverse gear for them. But I feel that instead uh, having a feeling like that, they should take this positively. They should feel that this is a time for their preparation to take a highest leap in their life. And if we follow our dreams passionately, consistently, with a systematic plan, I feel that there is no stopping for us. And when you are determined to do certain things in your life for your particular dreams, I don't think that there is anything which is impossible. And with that perspective in life, I felt that I should form a close community of those particular people wherein uh, they are close to my heart. We are like-minded people, and we are always there together. But then due to this Corona times, we are distance apart, but are always close to heart. And I felt that they should not be left out of this particular situation. They should understand that there are some people who always think about them. There are some people who always care about them. We are there for each other, and that is going to make a difference. So I want to assure you people that me, my team, we all together can definitely see our dreams. We can pursue it. We can march towards it. This is a difficult time, but then we can have certain discussions. We can have certain dialogues. We can plan something, and definitely, if not today, in coming times, we will accomplish our goals. And dreams, as I have been discussing, I have told many people that dreams, we cannot treat anyone's dreams that this particular dream is very small, this particular dream is very big. And dreams are dreams for any particular person, whoever it is, whatever strata of society he belongs to. But then dreams are dreams. It is valuable to the person who is looking after it, who is caring for it. So I would not discriminate over here whether it is a small dream or a big dream. It begins with a small dream. Once you start accomplishing one particular dream, then you start following that. If this is achievable, if this is attainable, then we can definitely go further in life, and then we can achieve more better things in life, doesn't it? So with that perspective, I felt that this Atulya Dreams would be a kind of platform wherein all positive people, all like-minded people with a tremendous amount of energy give their thought process, and we can stay connected, grow together, accomplish our goals together. So with this particular note, I know today is a big day. The 10th state board results are going to be out. Many of my students will definitely be very eager, very anxious to know what kind of results they will be having. But my dear students, I would like to tell you that 10th is just a stepping stone. Whatever results we are getting, we should accept it, and we should march towards the future with better determination and better goal prospects. So with this, I think I should sign off. One important thing I wanted to tell you that currently the campus in which I am is one part of my dream, and in future I would definitely let you know what was the intention behind you coming to this particular campus and having talks with these particular people. So this is definitely going to take me higher. This is going to be a leap towards my dreams, and I'm sure I am going to accomplish my dreams in coming period of time. and I want you all to be my companions. I want you myself to be your companion in this particular time, and so I frankly feel that please stay connected, please have dialogues, please share your thoughts, don't feel left alone, and this will help definitely. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.